morning and welcome back to Peterborough magnet fishing. I'm back out in Wolverhampton. Raymond's not going to be with us today, he's got other commitments, but I will be meeting up later with the Rag and Bone dippers. That's Leanne and Des. Cracking couple, great videos, go and check the YouTube out. Right, back at the location we was the other week. We've got the train bridge there, and then we've got where it narrows. It's only just wide enough for a canal barge, canal boat I should say. And then we've got where it widens and round the corner. Right, I'm nice and early. Traffic was okay, no incidences this time, only took 2 hours instead of 2.5. So while I'm waiting for Leanne and Des, I'm going to get my dry suit on and have a quick dip. I ain't going to do full diving because obviously I'm on my own and this bit is used by boats. So I'm going to stick to the edges where it widens, and I'm just going to go basically along the edge of the wall. I'm not going to venture out too far. I'm going to stay near the edge, just under the bridge. The water it's got a green tint to it, but you can see the bottom. And I've got a new Paralens camera. It's a special dive camera by Paralens. So if this doesn't produce some decent footage for you guys to watch, I don't know what else I can do, apart from travel abroad, which is not on the cards at the moment. Anyway, go and check me other video out, Underwater Adventures. That should be uploaded about half hour after this one, and this is uploading on Saturday. So all the best wishes and whatnot for Scotty B's 24-hour magnet fish, which you're watching this is happening today, Saturday the 16th of July and the 17th. Unfortunately I can't make it there because I'm actually on holiday. But yeah, all the best mate. I will be thinking of you, and I will be taking my magnet up to Skeggy Way, and I will do a little video on the Saturday. I might even go live. It won't be my big magnets, it'll only be a little tester magnet on the Skeggy Pond. A little pond inside the lake of Skeggy, just to say I actually threw a magnet on the world's magnet fishing day. Right, let's see what we get. Right guys, I'm actually out the water at last. I ain't got a clue what time it is. 11:30. About 2.5 hours mucking around with the water. Haven't been in all the time. Des and Leanne from Rag and Bone Dippers turned up, so they were magnet fishing while I was still finishing off a bit of diving. Once they was here, I could go out further across and down the small narrow gully, and they were watching out for boats. If any boats had come, they could tell the boats to out the way. So yeah, until they turned up I was just skimming along the edge. Once they were here I went across from the middle. There will be a video out after this one, probably about half hour after this one. I have recapped all the finds, but quickly, there you go, loads. That's all from just diving. Like I said, we got Leanne and Des from Rag and Bone. Oh yeah. Hi. Go. Right, I will get my magnet in the water now and see what we can get. Right, leave that running and see what we get. Got a track clip and 3 more bolts. Leanne and Des has already got about 10 or 12, so we're off again.
120, yeah. Yeah, right.
Hang on. 1 6 or 1,000.
I got a crowd, you know, the hooks. I've got one of them as well. Yeah.
We only tend to use well, you can actually see what it is.
Yeah.
If it's a straight line, you know it's going to get stuck on the block.
Yeah.
And if you start seeing like a push line,
Yeah.
it's very flat, how to get it out.
Jesus, you might put some of them in a lot, don't you?
Some of it weren't from magnet fishing, it's from actually diving.
Yeah.
Got a dry suit and I went in today.
Yeah.
And these were like buried 6 foot under the silt. I was walking in the silt with my dive suit and I was picking some up, bending down on the end, like, oh, pulled it out. Yeah, see. So when the magnet goes in, it buries itself in the silt and then pulls it out from the silt.
Right. Anyway, enjoy yourself.
So, we'll catch you later.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's done. Oh, because you have anything to go.
The 4 feet? No. Why are you catching that? It's hard as noting that bit there.
That's why. No, we came to get out last week.
What would you say that is? Were you? Say it. Yeah. There we go, one for Dave, ding ding. Going to stop showing you these and just show you the big pile at the end. Got me first penny. No, I won't do the dance. I think it's a stall frame.
No.
2 bits of iron metal bolted together. Thank you, bit of rebar. I think that's a different style track clip. And you know what they are. Another track clip and another one of them. Monkey bar. I think that's a stand for a bike, but it looks too big for that. There's no spring on it, so it's a permanent stand. Don't know. Oh, got a penny in there. Good tool. It's like a little dowel. Use it for starting to put a hole in something, and then you use it into like wood to make a hole, small hole in wood or something, and then you can use screws. And I got a block of wood. 2 metal pins going through. I think that's an isolator, so it's the top of an old electrical unit. And the wires will go around here to the next one. Alright, another one of these. 2 big bits of heavy cast iron metal, bolted and riveted together. Right, we've got a battery, because Grandma Keddy says they don't belong. Come on, these shouldn't be in the water. So yeah, go and check the channel out. Grandma Kelly's Clean Life, Clean Living. Fantastic lady, loads of enthusiasm, great videos. While I'm doing shout outs, Magnet Mad Mum and Dad, excellent videos. Their last one was a stunning location. They had some nice weather, nice crew of magnet fishers came out with them. Go and check them out. And There was somebody else I was going to mention, but I'll do another shout out in a minute. But yeah, go and like their channel, like and subscribe. There we go. One of the heavy crack plates, fish plates, crack plates, whatever you want to call them. Looks like it's cracked in half because there should be 4 holes. Another half here. Got a manky bar and a manky pole. Oh, didn't want to do that. Ooh. Manky square bar. Presuming they're just a bent piece of rebarb or a pin for holding something down. Keep getting a couple of these blank discs. Now, the guy from one of the engineering places a couple of weeks ago with the gas bottles, he did say they used to make things with a similar shape to this. It was the preformed radiator cap type thing. They're the 2 little lugs. And once they've preformed it, it turns into a radiator cover, cap cover for a car or something. There's loads of them in there.
Oh, yeah. It's Jack.
I think it is.
I was thinking that's what it looks like.
Oh, I've got this thing. We think it's a jack. It's got a bar at the back. Obviously you'd pump it up and down and it would go up and down on this threaded bar. So some sort of like a mini RSJ thingy or a jack. Supposed to be having a heat wave and we've got rain. Figures. Got right, manky bar. Another funny stand. This one's all bented up. And another set of these. That's 4 of these we've got now. More of them flatty discs. And a manky bar with a bracket on the side. So I think it's some sort of railing, like the old scaffolding railing. Another bar would go in there. Got one of them mini wall safes. They took the door off it and the door is actually inside, but because it's bent up you can't get the door out. Right, just a load of manky bars and one of the old metal window latches. Right, put you near the bucket. Keep moving up.
You've got to pick the loud guys first then.
In Peterborough.
I've never been to like this stuff at this and I've never been there.
Sure we'll be able to find something. We've got the train bridge or the embankment, and that's it.
Yeah.
We've got the train bridge behind Asda. The train bridge is rail clips, base plate, scaffolding bars.
That's what you got here.
Yeah. The bridge at Asda is shopping trolleys and push bikes, knives, computers, bits and bobs. And then you've got the embankment that could be anything. Well, there we go. Just got a hammerhead. It's lost its wooden handle. Right, just a few more. We've had a few throws down
And
this
there's a
end.
McDonald's sushi. If you for KFC or
Got a-
McDonald's or chicken.
One of the old meat grinders. Missing the handle and the stopper.
Oh, I've done it again.
Bits and bobs. Broken pair of scissors. Got a handle. Fence post. Hand drill. And that's an old frame of a bike. So yeah, we've moved away from the bridge and we've stopped getting rail clips and track spikes, and we're getting poles and bits and bobs, so yeah, we'll bring you back. Right, I got the springs and the framework to an old bike. Leanne pulled this out earlier, and yeah, it fits. So we've now got the seat cover and the frame. Got a big plate of metal. Top of a tent peg, tent peg, post, and a big handle. We think it's off a pallet jack or something. Yeah. No worries.
Thank you very much.
No. Got an old tyre. Don't know what that is. Some sort of hexagon shape. Looks like a spanner head, but there's writing on it saying it needs to be lubricated before joining with the springs. No idea. And then that looks like a bearing case. And a spark plug. Right, we just said last throw, and as we say last throw, probably see the ripples on the water. It's starting to rain. I left my dive suit on the grass to dry out. I bet it was nearly dry as well. Oh well, I'll go and put my drive suit away and then we'll sort the scrap out. So I'll bring you back shortly.
It's a good job you've got that. Dog in the water, guys. I'll take them out. I'll get back in there.
Go when you're taking me with you.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm just practicing to work. I'll clear myself so I'm clean again.
Folks, car's all loaded. I reckon there's about 300-400 kilograms again there this week. Yeah, wheel arch is low. Tow bar's quite low, so there's a fair bit of weight. Some of it's not metal, so that's got to go to the tip. Right, it's been a cracking day. It's that time of day again. You've already seen the clip with the cars loaded. Not been that warm today. It's been warm, but it hasn't been overpowering. Step out of the way of the scooter. So yeah, it's been a cracking day. Been with Des and Leanne.
Alright.
Rag and Bone Dippers. Go and check out their channel. I won't be out next week due to I'll be on holiday. I will be taking my magnet for a session today because you'll be seeing this on Saturday and it's World Magnet Fishing Day. So I will have a dip somewhere around Skeggy and then send Scotty B a video of it. So all the best, Scotty, if you go into his collab. Enjoy yourself, stay safe, drink plenty and take some sunscreen because the weekend's going to be a scorcher. So it's bye from me.
Bye.
That's it.
Bye bye.
Bye.
They're in there. There you
There
go.
we go.
Right, see you on the next one.